What's up guys, I'm the Gamer Speedster and I'm finally back with another Speed Champions video. Today I'll be building this one. I've been gone for a while, but I've been busy with school and work. So yeah, I'm finally back. I'm planning to post more evening. So for now, let's focus on this thing. Let's go. So here it is, the Ferrari F40. It's a really cool build. Hold up. I'll show you the smaller one I have to compare. It's a little bit dusty, but here it is, the other one, smaller one. It is it's not way bigger, but a little bit bigger. You can tell that there's some things that are the same, like if you look over here, like you see the sticker right here, similar to this one right here. And this is also similar to that. You see this sticker, it's also similar to this one. This right here, similar to that one. There's a lot of similarities in here. Oh, except that the spoiler, this one is black and this one is red. So yeah, back to this one. I really like the way it turned out. I wonder what LEGO Speed Champions is gonna do next. And as for what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna for sure try to do more Life is Strange videos before Double Exposure comes out. I kind of want to finish Before the Storm before Double Exposure comes out. I'll try at least. So yeah, that was it for this video. There's not gonna be any Speed Champions video, at least for this year, because God knows what the fuck they're gonna do next. So yeah, like the video if you liked it, subscribe, share the video with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys maybe tonight. Yeah, bye.